Hello YouTube fam, how you guys doing? Welcome back for another video. Come decorate my kitchen with me for the Christmas season. As you all know, the color scheme for this season is red. It's gonna be red all over, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing in the kitchen this year, I'm gonna be doing this DIY that I've seen all over social media. I saw it last year and I've seen it this year and I love it. I'm like, I have to try it in my kitchen. So what is it, guys? It is this ribbon that I've seen people using. They use this ribbon, they put it on the kitchen cabinets, and they put this little bow on it. This bow, they put the bow on the front of the cabinet and the ribbon. So this is what I'm gonna be using to decorate my kitchen for this year. So I went to 4 different stores. I don't know what it is about this red ribbon. I went to 4 different stores to find this ribbon. I could not find it. But luckily, I went to Home Depot. I found it and I grabbed 3. I'm like, I would rather have too many than not having enough. So I grabbed those 3 and I grabbed the bowl. I got the bowl from Hobby Lobby. So this is what we're gonna be using to decorate the kitchen for this year. So I know it's gonna be beautiful. Let me know in the comment section, guys, how you guys like it. If this is your first time to this channel, you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any video that I post. And for my YouTube subscribers, for my YouTube fam, thank you so much for y'all support. Y'all the best. Y'all know the drill. Grab your popcorn, grab your chair. Let's dive in. Let's decorate my kitchen with me, guys. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be so beautiful, guys. Come on in. Let's decorate my kitchen with me, guys.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old.
Okay guys, as you can see, the process begin. I am applying the ribbon on the doors. Bear with me guys, it takes a little while, but you know, I have 11 doors to go through. So we're gonna get through the 11 doors together, okay? I did not speed the video too much because I want you guys to see what I'm doing in the video. So let's decorate, guys. Let's do it together. Guys, I never used to like red, guys. I never used to like red when it comes to decoration, but for this season I decided to do red and I fell in love, guys. After I was done decorating my kitchen, oh my god, I fell in love, guys. It's so beautiful. I did not do too much, guys. I like to keep my stuff simple. I don't like too much. I keep it simple, guys. So the less the better. I don't like when I put too much and it look tacky. I don't like my decoration to look tacky. I like my decoration to look simple and beautiful. So this is how I keep it, guys. Simple and beautiful. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if you guys would have put more pieces or if you guys would have leave it just like I did. Simple and beautiful. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how I did. Let me know how you guys like the video. And if this is your first time to this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel and you interested in decoration, you make it to the right channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Press your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. So for my YouTube subscriber, to all my fellow YouTube subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Y'all know the drill. Grab your chair, grab your popcorn. Let's dive in. Let's decorate together, guys. Let's have fun, guys. When I tell you, you're going to love this one, you're going to like it. It's so beautiful. Let's dive in together, guys. Let's decorate my kitchen with me, guys. I am going to talk in between clips, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this clip, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, guys, this is the result. Oh my God, this is the final look of the cabinet. Look how the cabinet looks so beautiful, guys. When I tell you, when I first seen this thing on the social media last year, I was like, I had to do this in my kitchen. So this is it, guys. It looks so nice. So we're going to continue with the decoration. So what I'm doing now is I am wiping down my kitchen countertop. I'm not going to do that much on the kitchen countertop. I'm just wiping it down. I am going to put whatever was on the countertop back on the countertop because I did not put that much. As I stated before, I don't like too much. I don't like to overdo it. I just put a little piece here and there. I don't like when my place look tacky. I don't like tacky stuff. So I keep it simple. So this is the way to go. The less the better. All right, guys. So let's watch the video together and I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye. Okay, guys, I am back. As you can see, this flower that I have in my hand, I am going to put it inside this plate that you see in my hand because I did not know this flower shed so much. So I'm gonna be using this plate. I get this plate from Home Good and the flower from Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna be using the plate to put the flowers in because it sheds so much. So at first I wanted to put it on the countertop, but I don't want it to get the countertop so messy. So I'm gonna be placing it inside this plate. Okay. So let's watch the video, guys. I bought these stuff that you see in my hand. I bought them from Home Good. So I'm gonna be putting them inside this vase that you see in my hand. That's where I'm placing those things and then put them in the plate inside the plate, and you see guys, you already have an idea of what I'm trying to do, and it's so beautiful, guys. I was going to put some light inside that vase, but for some reason the light wasn't working, so I'm gonna use it like that, and it's so beautiful, guys. I think that's it. I'm gonna be putting on the countertop. I'm not gonna put any other things on the countertop. So I'm gonna be putting something on the island, but that is it, guys. Okay, so now I am folding the towel, and I also see this DIY on social media, and I want to try it as well. So this is what I'm doing, guys. I bought those towel from Ross. So that's what I'm doing, guys. The red one said joy, and the white one says love. So I'm making this DIY with those little towel, and I'm gonna be placing the DIY in the front of my oven. You guys already have an idea. You guys already see what I'm trying to do here. It's so nice, guys. So as I stated, guys, let's watch the video. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. So this is how it turned out, guys. So I'm gonna be putting it right here. It's so beautiful. I wish the white one would have like was a bigger one, but it's not as big, so I'm gonna use it like that. But it's still beautiful. Okay, so now I am putting whatever was on the countertop before. I am putting them back. So this is it, guys. I'm not gonna add any more. So just a island. I'm gonna be putting a flower on it, but that's it. So let's watch a video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. Okay, guys, I am debating between those two flowers, the red one and the gold one. At first, I wanted to do the gold one because I did not want to do the red because I already have a lot of reds on the doors. So I want to put something else. But for some reason, to me, the gold one throw the decoration off. So that's the reason why you see me switch from the gold flower to the red flower. Because I see the red flower set it up, it set the decoration. So that's what I'm gonna be keeping on the island. I'm adding this candle and the deer and the vase, and that's it. That will be it, guys. I'm not going to put anything else on the island. That's it. That's simple. So moving on to the table, guys. When I tell you the table is so beautiful, you guys going to see what I'm talking about. The table, oh my goodness. When I tell you the table, it looks so luxurious. It looks so beautiful. So guys, I found those mats from Home Goods. They so nice. It comes with a set of 6. I needed 4, but it comes in 6. It's not a problem, so I'm gonna keep the other extra 2. So guys, ever since I started doing decoration a couple years ago, I've been going to Ross faithfully. I never come across those type of plates. The other day I went to Ross, I found those plates. I'm like, I have to get those. In the bowls, the plates, in the bowl, I found all of those from Ross. When I tell you, when I first see them, I jump and grab all of them. I grab them. Even those red champagne, I found those champagne glasses from Ross as well. They so beautiful, guys. The video doesn't do them justice. You have to see them in person to see what I'm talking about. When I tell you they so beautiful, oh my God. You can see how they look so beautiful on the table. Guys, as I stated before, this video is epic. It's beautiful. This is it, guys. This is the end result. This is the end result, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys did not get bored. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section and make sure you're subscribed if you have not done so. Subscribe to the channel. Help me grow the channel, guys. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you.